What's happening? It's what a lot of folks call the spider drill, because you're moving your four fingers independently, and it's commonly taught for dexterity. It's so commonly taught that I just want to talk a little bit about it with y'all. So here we go. What this drill does is you play on with your first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and then you do that on each string. And there are lots of variations of this, and I'm going to talk about those. It is good for getting your individual fingers a little going, and it's easy to remember. So for that, it has those virtues. First thing you want to focus on a little bit is, can you assemble the fingers on the string? Meaning, can you not do this? Can you not have your first finger springing up and in the opposite direction? Now, this is how violinists are taught to do some things, and that's true, and there's various opinions on this technique. But in order to get some of the benefits that you want later, this is a good thing to practice, is assemble the fingers on the string. And then I would recommend go back. Just on one string, just to feel it. Okay, I've got 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers. And then can you practice, hey, just letting go of that 4th finger. A lot of folks, myself included, have issues, I got issues, just between the independence of the 3rd and 4th finger. And this is a great way to get it, is can you, instead of pulling it out way down here or sticking it way up there, can you just relax it? Can you get a sense of even what relaxing that finger is? Just a little bit. And then do the same thing. It's a little bit easier, perhaps, from your 3rd finger to your 2nd finger. And people have all kinds of habits. You see all kinds of things. But in terms of pure ease, how little effort can you take? And then try it on the next string. And just be focused on how you're doing it. Before any kind of speed, you might actually let go of that 1st finger and slide back on the string without creating too much distance between yourself and the string, but you kind of might relax it a little bit if that feels like less effort for you. Depends on the size of your hands, right? That's good, right? And go slow and notice how much tension you're putting in your hand and how you can decrease that tension. How little effort can you do this with? The least amount of effort is what you're looking for. Got questions? Please put them in the comments. I'd love to answer them. Maybe we'll do a follow-up video. This is really fun. A little bit about this dexterity exercise folks call the spider exercise. I hope this was helpful for you. Please let me know. Ask me all the questions you got. Subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff. Thanks for coming by.